everyone, welcome back, and today I'm going to be talking about the Zinsser Bin Shellac Based Primer. Be sure to watch till the end to see several different ways on how I use this product. In order to open the can, I just use a flathead screwdriver, and if you open up your can and see it this color, it's completely normal. All you have to do is stir the primer really well. This is due to the pigment settling towards the bottom of the can. This primer is shellac based, which means it's designed to seal in odors and tough stains from things like water, smoke, and much more. This primer does have a strong smell, so I do highly recommend using a respirator mask and using some gloves. One of the ways that I use this primer is to seal my wood panels for my art pieces. By using this primer, it prevents any existing stains or oils in the wood from seeping up and discoloring the resin. It also fills the wood grain and any small imperfections to give you that super smooth finish that is really crucial for a flawless resin finish. It also locks out moisture from the wood, which can prevent bubbles and other issues when the resin is applied. It claims to be the ultimate stain blocker, and it definitely lives up to the promise. As you can see here, I applied one coat and I could see some bleed through from the wood below. After the second coat, I no longer had bleed through and didn't have to worry once it was painted. Bin Primer is my go-to primer for my canvases when I'm working with alcohol inks. It creates a shield on the canvas. It's like a barrier that stops the inks from sinking too deep into the canvas, which can then make the colors look dull. It helps the inks smoothly glide on and they flow over the top and blend beautifully without getting out of control. If you're looking for a reliable heavy-duty product that will save you time and effort in the long run, I would highly recommend Bin Shellac Primer.